Pete.
Yes.
They're back.
Who's back?
Back again.
Who?
Dotmod.
What with?
The Dotpod S.
Good introduction.
Thanks. I do
You
practice.
really ramped up there.
Yeah.
I could see the full benefit of your night schooling.
Thanks.
You know, the theatre school that you're doing.
Yeah.
Was it Cinderella or something?
No, it's how to introduce vape videos 101.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you're enjoying it?
It's going well. I'm stuck on the first module. I can't pass the exam.
Ah, dear.
That's why all my vape videos are silent.
Got you.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I've actually graduated the course.
Oh, well done.
Yeah, I didn't realise that's what you're doing. I thought you were on Cinderella. Otherwise, I'd have given you some advice. It goes like this. This is the latest product from Dotmod. The Dotpod S.
See, the voice actually...
No, you have to ramp it.
No, we did like a case study with people.
Oh, yeah.
Like a focus group.
A focus group?
On your voice.
My voice?
Yeah.
Seems very specific.
It was very specific. I paid for it.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, I like where this is going.
I used your credit card. But I
Better
paid.
still.
Yeah, I paid for it. And
Results?
not great. Gonna be honest. No.
Doesn't surprise me, though.
No.
I kind of almost
They're like,
preempted that.
is this low rent Jeremy Clarkson?
You've got to stop saying that because it's becoming a thing.
There was one person that commented, wow, Biff's doing vaping videos. I was like, no, honestly, no, it's not. It's not.
Dotmod. Dotpod S.
Much better.
Let's drop down and take a look. Boom! In front of you, AJ, there are 6 different colorways. Now, this device has a couple of things that we want to go through. There is a 2mm replaceable pod, and it's side fill. Check that out. There's options for the pod. There's mesh coils, 0.6, 0.8, 1 ohm. That won't mean a lot to you if you haven't vaped before, but if you have, you'll know exactly what that means. If you haven't, I'll tell you in a minute. It's USB-C chargeable. What are you charging? An 800 milliamp hour battery. How much power are you charging it with? Up to 18 watts max power. The pods are compatible with the Dotpod Nano. That is how you do an introduction.
Do you like the way that I had a Dotpod Nano on hand for when you said that word?
Ready for the...
I brought it in.
Yeah, it's good.
Dotpod Nano,
kind of
which was a beautiful device. I can get rid of that now.
Oh, that's it.
And that's its
Honourable
cameo.
mention and cast to the side.
You can't start reviewing a Dotmod product without talking about the unboxing experience.
Oh.
No, I'm not plugging my unboxing channel with 360,000 subscribers. The number one vaping unboxing channel on YouTube.
It's fine because they wouldn't even know where to look.
Well, it's on YouTube. Vape Show Unboxed.
Right.
Obviously. No, I'm not plugging that channel. I am just talking genuinely about Dotmod's packaging.
Okay.
And Dotmod's finishing of everything. It's like, the only way I can just make a simile to it is it's like Apple.
It's the same standard.
Same standard.
It's luxurious.
And then the finishing on the product it's just next level.
And how do you know if a product's premium? The weight.
The weight and the finishing on the metal and I don't even know what that material is on the side, but it's great. The way the pod fits, the machining is perfect, and the way the lights glide on. It honestly, I'm a massive Dotmod fan. I always have been, and I
thought you were over her when you and the what was the last device called? It was
the SE, wasn't it? AIOSE.
AIOSE. Yeah, it was. That was your last one.
That was the last one. But I never got over the Petri tank.
Oh.
I loved the Petri tank, but it started leaking. The O-rings perished. No.
And here we go again. What else?
I love Dotmod products.
Yeah,
and I know they've changed over the years, and I know they've shifted into this more kind of commercial area of vaping, and I know that they've lost some fans from that.
Do you remember the 75 watt?
Oh, it was so good.
That was like billet box of its day.
I've still got it in the cupboard.
Yeah.
It's beaten up to
like
hell.
The panels.
Yeah, it was the billet box of its day.
Yeah.
I like that. I know they've lost their die-hard kind of high-end vaping thing, But what they're doing now with these devices is bringing that luxury to the masses.
That's interesting you say that. So we know it's luxury. The price point's going to be more than your entry-level vape device.
So good.
But would you jump to that top-end pricing for a pod?
Yes.
You would?
Yes.
That answered that really directly.
Here's the thing. In your vaping journey, you'll start off maybe a disposable or simple starter kit. You'll go into a cheaper pod device. You'll drop your nicotine down. You'll then start experimenting with cloudier sub-ohm vapes or expensive mouth to lungs. But when you've got something like this, not everyone wants to carry it around with them everywhere all day. But so you want like a secondary vape that's a bit more simple, a bit more discreet.
Something for the car.
Something for the car, perhaps.
Are you going out for a run?
But that doesn't necessarily mean that you have
you got a game of snooker?
Snooker?
Just another example.
Oh, okay.
Or you want to do some athletics?
I wouldn't take it doing athletics.
Okay.
Running and vaping. Javelin. What my point was going to be, those simple pod devices, that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to lose that kind of luxurious experience that you're now getting from your more expensive vape. You can get that as well.
I like it. In
And
essence,
that's what Dotmod offer now.
this has everything that a beginner's device has. And a little bit. Because it's got the adjustable airflow.
Yeah.
It's got smart features. So when you swap over the different ohms rating of coils, they're all pretty much mouth to lung to restricted direct to lung.
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to do that.
Yeah.
But we're talking 50-50s.
Yes.
It will just about manage 70-30. I'd say 60-40.
But it'll burn through quicker.
It'll burn through quicker. So we don't want to mention that too much because most people get a bit precious about how long it's been with a pod. So, mouth to lung, restricted direct to lung, adjustable airflow, all day battery life, 2 mil tank, does everything for you. You don't have to work it out.
And it's
a beginner's device.
It looks and feels amazing.
But it's a premium beginner's device.
Yeah, or like I say, it's the best second vape you could ever have.
Have you? Oh, I forgot to say it's got 4-stage battery life indicators.
Fully charged.
Did you want to try your pod on any of the other colorways, or are you just sticking to like, you know what, orange rocket?
Well, orange is my favourite colour until you wear it, so I'm just rocking it. I've got the 0.6 ohm pod in here.
Okay.
And I'm rocking some Hang Seng bar fuel
So
cola ice, and it is beautiful.
that's interesting because the 0.6 is going to be the most direct to lung you can get out of this.
It is.
So airflow wide open. Are you ready?
Yeah, it is beautiful. The mouthpiece on that pod is perfectly designed.
Okay. That's a cloudy vape.
So this this device came into the studio about a week ago, and I instantly opened the orange one and took it home because I'm a Dotmod whore. I can't help myself.
Love it.
And I've been rocking that bar fuel in there.
Flavor's incredible, but I loved the Nano before. So I'm not surprised. Really, really nice quality vape.
I don't know what charge is left in this Nano, but you could put a pod in.
Go on. Swap it over.
Let's see. It's got a charge.
Ooh. Oh, you're green. You're all good.
There you go. That's pretty amazing because this is a good testament to the battery integrity. How long ago did this come in? 6 months?
It's quite a while, yeah. I'd have said at
and
least.
It's just been sat in its box since then.
Yeah, no issue at all.
No issue at all. So that's the other thing you know that you're getting with a premium device is, yes, it's going to be a bit more expensive, but it's going to last.
I mean,
where's it gone?
It's a camo vape. Look at that.
Pete's camel toe.
If I match it to my shirt, it's almost the same colour.
Did you say camel toe?
I didn't. Camouflage, did I say?
Oh, I thought you said it's camel toe.
No. And what is that? What's going on here with the texture?
I don't even know what it is.
Is that a brushed leather?
Okay, can I push you for something?
Go on.
Which colour would you pick? I obviously picked the orange because it's orange.
It's tricky, but I'd say like the red's the next sporty one.
Yeah,
it kind of jumps out, doesn't
it's
it?
tasty. I don't know what battery life in that is.
Out of all of them, the fastest vapes here are the red and the orange.
Yeah.
Do you know,
You got
now,
the McLaren and the Ferrari.
If you put that next to the others, they just look boring.
Yeah, I mean, the royal blue, they call it, don't they, Dotmod?
Yeah,
is nice. If you like kind of boring vapes, you could pick out the brown one, but that would make you boring.
Yeah. Yeah,
So,
everyone's
I don't know
got a
why you
boring friend, so maybe get it for your friend.
Yeah, maybe your dad's a bit boring. Get it for him.
I like just how weighty that is. It's got
beautiful.
something real
It
quality
feels
when there's weight.
so good, doesn't it?
And I keep going on about it, and I guess we should wrap up the video while I...
No, before we finish.
Mm.
I'm going to do something that I've not done for a long time.
Oh, okay.
Not since actually I did a video with Alex here. It's Pete's
did you do?
vaping slogans.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to bring that one back from the dead.
Oh,
I'll make it good.
it's on the tip of my tongue. I'm just. See, if I'd prepared something, I'd have really nailed this.
Yeah, yeah.
Is your vape slow and miserable?
Yeah.
Do you need more?
Yeah.
How about you try the latest Dotmod from Dotmod?
That was good.
Don't be a loser.
Don't be a loser. Choose Dotmod.
No, that's mine.
No,
you can't go with it.
but I took your idea and went, let's make it good.
I went aggressive with the marketing on it. I was like, if this was a billboard, it'd just go, Dotmod, don't be a loser.
Yeah.
Because you're thinking about the cheap vape device.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah.
Don't be a loser.
Don't be a loser.
Get this. Look how fast that is.
Don't be a loser. Pick a chooser. I don't know why that makes sense, but it does.
So that's our ending.
Yeah.
Okay. That is the luxury of Dotmod. And it brings us nicely to the end of the video, AJ, where we get to say, hit that thumb, make sure you press that button to see future videos, and write something in the comments. And the comment for this episode is, nice shirt, Pete. That way I know you've made it to the end.
Wow. And what do they get for doing that?
I'll reply with something.
There you go. There you have it. And if you want more interaction with Pete's orange shirt, or maybe just the forehead of wisdom, channel memberships is just for you.
It's like my own OnlyFans.
Pete's OnlyFans. And I promise he will get his baps out.
So look forward to that. Bye, everyone.